Good morning, student. Today we will continue exercise 6.1 part 6 question number 19. 1 minus sine 45 degree plus sine 30 degree bracket close, next bracket open, 1 plus cos 45 degree plus cos 60 degree is equals to 7 upon 4. So here we have to prove that the value, if we solve, it should be equal to 7 upon 4. First we write LHS portion. From trigonometric table, we put the value of this all trigonometric ratios. 1 minus value of sine 45 degrees, we know that 1 upon root 2, plus value of sine 30 is 1 upon 2 bracket close, 1 plus value of cos 45 degrees 1 upon root 2 plus value of cos 60 degrees 1 upon 2. Okay, this numeric value we will solve. We know that plus 1 by 2, it will be 3 by 2 minus 1 upon root 2. 1 plus 1 by 2, it's 3 by 2 plus 1 upon root 2. Okay, here we can see that same value A, here is same value and opposite sign. So what identities we will use here? We know that A plus B, A minus B is equals to A square minus B square. So same identity we will use. We can write here that at the place of A we have 3 by 2 and at the place of B we have 1 upon root 2. Okay, so we will get 3 by 2 square minus 1 upon root 2 square. What we will get? 3 by 2 square 9 upon 4 minus 1 upon root 2 square, we will get 1 upon 2. LCM of 4 and 2 we will get 4 and we will divide 4 by 4, we will get 1 and 1 will be multiplied by 9, we will get 9. Minus if 4 divided by 2, we will get 2 and 2 multiplied by 1, we will get here 2. Okay, 9 minus 2, we will get 7 divided by 4 and we can see that it is equal to the RHS. Okay, hence prove. Now next question number 20 is for homework. Question number 21. If x is equals to 30 degree, then prove that first part of 21, question number 21, sine 3x is equal to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. So first we will take LHS portion. Okay, we will solve it. Then it should be, we will solve then RHS portion. Both should be equal. So it is LHS portion sine x. Okay, sine x, sine 3. What is the value of x? 30 degree. So here we have sine 3 into 30, 90 degree. And we know that what is the value of sine 90? 1. So what we got? The LHS 1. Now in RHS portion we have given that 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. At the place of x we have to put 30 degree as we have given in question. So 3 sin x. Here we will put 30 degree minus 4 sine cube x. At the place of x we will put 30 degree. Okay, 3 into what is the value of sine 30? 1 by 2 minus 4 into what is the value of sine 30? 1 by 2 and cube. It will be 3 by 2 minus 4 into what is the cube of 2? 8. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. Okay, 8 will be cancelled out by 4. We will get 2. Okay, so 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2, what we will get? Same value on opposite side, we will get 0. So we can see that it is equal to the value of LHS. Hence proved. Now the second part of question number 21 is for homework. Third part, we will continue third part. Okay, in LHS portion we have given sine x and we know that what is the value of x? 30 degree. We will put here 30 degree. So sine 30 degree. And what is the value of sine 30 degree? What is the value of sine 30 degree? 1 by 2. So here we will get sine 30 degree is equals to 1 by 2. Okay. Now RHS portion. In RHS portion we have given that under root 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. At the place of x what we will put? At the place of x we will put 30 degree. Okay, so 2 into 30 we will get here 60 degree upon 2. What is the value of cos 60 degree? cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. So 1 minus, at the place of cos 60 degree we will put 1 by 2 upon 2. 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 upon 2, and we will get 1 upon 4. If we will put square root of 1 is 1, square root of 4 is 2, and we can see that it is equal to the LHS portion. So it is equal to the LHS portion, hence proved. Yes. Question number 4. Fourth part of question number 21. Cos 3x equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Okay. In LHS portion we have given cos 3x. At the place of x, what we will put? At the place of x we will put 30 degree. Okay. We will get here cos 3 into 30, 90 degree. And cos 90 degrees we know that 0. Okay. Next RHS. In RHS portion we have given 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. At the place of x we will put 30 degree. So we will get cos cube x, at the place of x 30 degree, minus 3 cos, at the place of x is 30 degree. Okay. 4 into, what is the value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2 cube. Okay. Minus 3 cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2. Okay. 4 into, what is the cube of root 3? 3 root 3. Cube of 2 is 8, minus 3 root 3. 3 into root 3, 3 root 3 upon root 2. Okay. Sorry, 3 root 3 upon 2. Okay. 8 will be cancelled out by 4. We will get here 3 root 3 upon 2, minus here we will get 3 root 3 upon 2. Same value opposite sign will be cancelled out, we will get 0. So it is equal to LHS portion. We can write here it is equal to LHS, hence prove. Question number 22 is given. If A is equal to 60 degree and B equal to 30 degree, then prove that cot A minus B, cot A, cot B plus 1 upon cot B minus cot A. Here we have given that A equal to 60 degree and B equal to 30 degree. So first in LHS portion, cot A minus B we will put at the place of A is 60 degree and at the place of B is 30 degree. We get cot 60 degree minus 30 degree. Cot 60 minus 30 is 30, and we know that from the table what is the value of cot 30? Root 3. Now RHS portion. At RHS portion we have given cot A cot B plus 1 upon cot B minus cot A. At the place of A we will put 60 degree and at the place of B we will put 30 degree. Okay, cot A, that means cot 60 degree. At the place of cot B we will put cot 30 degree plus 1 upon cot B. What is the value of B? Cot 30. That means here we will get cot 30 degree minus cot A, that means cot 60 degree. Okay, then solve. Put the value of cot 60. Cot 60 is 1 upon root 3 into cot B is root 3 plus 1 upon the value of cot 30 is root 3 minus the value of cot 60 is 1 upon root 3. Root 3 and root 3 will be cancelled. We will put here 1 plus 1. And in the denominator, here we can write root 3 upon 1. The LCM of 1 and root 3 is root 3. Okay. Root 3 divided by 1, we will get root 3, and root 3 multiplied by root 3, we will get 3. Minus root 3 divided by root 3, we will get 1, and 1 will be multiplied by 1, we will get 1. Okay. At the numerator part, we will get 2, and the denominator part, we will get 2 upon root 3. If we will change the sign of division into multiplication, we know that we will reciprocal the value of denominator. We will get root 3 upon 2. 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. We will get root 3. And we know that it is the equal part of LHS. So it is proved. So this chapter is over. So students, practice at home all the questions of chapter 6. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home and stay safe.